Hey there, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will be giving you tips that you can use to attract a woman. Without wasting time, let's get to it. First, there are some important questions we need to look at. What do women find attractive in men? Many women are drawn to confident men because they appreciate the sense of self-assurance and security they project. A sense of humor is also attractive, as it indicates that a person can be enjoyable and captivating. A sense of humor is a highly appealing quality that many men can have. Although physical appearance is desired by many women, it often takes a back seat to other qualities. Having a good sense of humor is highly valued by women. Your sense of humor reveals a lot about your character. People who have the skill to bring laughter to others possess a valuable talent for engaging in meaningful conversations and often demonstrate a strong enthusiasm for their interests. Being kind and empathetic is crucial, as it shows that you are caring and supportive. Being physically fit and well-groomed can be attractive, showing that you prioritize your health and take care of yourself. Most women are attracted to men who exude confidence, as it creates a sense of comfort and ease in their presence. A person who possesses confidence is often much more than just someone who speaks eloquently. They possess a natural talent for achieving success in life. They have the ability to establish meaningful connections, leave a positive impression on others, and frequently develop long-term relationships with their partner. When a woman expresses her desire for a kind partner, she's seeking someone who consistently demonstrates respect and treats others with dignity. It can be inferred that when she expresses her attraction towards generous men, she refers to their willingness to invest time and emotions and communicate effectively. What traits attract women? Men who display confidence and self-assurance tend to be appealing to women. This level of confidence indicates that an individual is at ease with themselves and capable of effectively navigating different life situations. A partner who exudes confidence is often perceived as trustworthy and competent, which makes them highly desirable. In addition, having a good sense of humor is an important quality that can make someone more attractive, as it shows they can be enjoyable and captivating. Using humor can foster a positive environment and serve as an effective tool for building connections and reducing stress. Kindness and empathy are crucial qualities that demonstrate thoughtfulness, compassion, and the ability to empathize and provide emotional support to others. These qualities are essential for establishing a caring and encouraging relationship. Physical appearance is one of the factors that contribute to attraction, although it is not the only one. Having good grooming and being physically fit are often viewed as indicators of self-respect and overall health, which can be attractive. In addition, qualities like intelligence and ambition are very appealing, indicating that a person is motivated, focused, and able to have meaningful conversations. Many women find men attractive when they can engage them intellectually and have a clear sense of purpose. In order to succeed, it is crucial to possess emotional stability and strong communication skills. Expressing oneself and handling emotions maturely can build trust and strengthen the connection in a relationship. These qualities work together to create a personality that is both well-rounded and appealing. What is the first thing a woman notices about a man? One of the initial aspects that catches a woman's attention when it comes to a man is his appearance, specifically his grooming and fashion choices. One aspect to consider is the individual's appearance, including their clothing, personal hygiene, and overall physical attractiveness. An attractive appearance can indicate that a man values self-care and pays attention to details, which can be appealing. In addition, it's important to consider body language and posture, as they can play a significant role in expressing confidence and self-assurance. A friendly smile and eye contact can make a positive first impression, showing that you are approachable and open. Now, how can you attract a woman without speaking to her? Funny is attractive. Having a good sense of humor is much more appealing than having large muscles. It's truly delightful to be in the presence of someone who has a genuine sense of humor. It's an additional method to showcase your self-assurance. You demonstrate a lack of concern for others' opinions and a willingness to take risks. Consider celebrities such as Jack Black. Not the epitome of a perfect male physique, but he would definitely be a fun person to spend time with. You can see that he is unapologetically confident in expressing himself. These two factors contribute to the attractiveness of funny individuals. Even if she's not sitting close enough to hear your jokes, being able to make others at your table laugh is sufficient. you come across as someone who is enjoyable to be around. Make eye contact whenever you can. Maintaining good eye contact can be attractive to many women. However, it's important to remember that you don't need to stare, but rather make meaningful eye contact. Try to engage her with your charisma. Eye contact can be a powerful way to connect with someone before initiating a conversation. Just be careful not to stare at her in a creepy way when you make eye contact. Make sure to keep an eye on her, but remember to occasionally glance away. Don't second-guess the situation. Although you've learned the art of attracting women without verbal communication, it will be necessary for you to initiate a conversation with her at some point. Unfortunately, this is where many men struggle. This is a common mistake that many people tend to make. Clear opportunity will arise, they will establish strong eye contact, and everything's going well. Right when they realize it's the moment to approach and greet someone, they back out. They often doubt their own appeal when faced with an attractive woman, causing them to become hesitant and unsure. They let the chance slip away and then become frustrated when a man from a different table approaches to introduce himself. Practice is the key to finding a solution. Remember that if she's not interested, she will simply say no, and you can accept that. The more attractive she is, the more likely you are to feel unsure. However, it's important to keep in mind that the rules remain the same. Regardless of physical appearance, your demeanor and sense of humor play a significant role in your attractiveness. Being more comfortable holding a conversation. Similar to making eye contact, it's helpful to regularly engage in small conversations with strangers until it becomes a natural habit. If you struggle with shyness and find this task difficult, try starting with using only a few words at a time. You can start right at the grocery store. Inquire with a staff member about the location of a specific ingredient. Engage in conversation with the person next to you while waiting in the queue. When you're in the right location, there's a chance you might come across some appealing individuals. Start with small steps and gradually progress. The goal is to expand your comfort zone without feeling overwhelmed. You'll quickly become at ease when conversing with older women. Sit up straighter in your seat. How people carry themselves can say a lot about their level of confidence and ease in social situations. Confident people often have a posture that is upright and open, making them appear more inviting. Their confident posture and open body language suggest that they are at ease and enthusiastic about interacting with others. On the other hand, individuals who feel uneasy or nervous tend to display a closed posture. They may adopt a posture where they hunch over, with their shoulders slumped forward and their upper back curved. This is a subconscious way of making themselves appear smaller in order to avoid drawing attention. This small yet impactful body language distinction can effectively convey either an invitation for conversation or a request for solitude. Social proof. Our actions and preferences are shaped by the social environment we are a part of. As humans tend to be influenced by those around us. Our social presence has a significant impact on our perception of what is good, bad, attractive, repulsive, and more. But why does this matter in terms of understanding women's desires or how to attract them? Similar to many others, she would be influenced by societal standards of attractiveness. If you have attractive women around you, even if they're just colleagues, other girls will naturally be curious about what makes these women gravitate towards you. By not saying a word, you can pique the curiosity and interest of other women in the venue, automatically attracting them to you. Be more present in social situations. Take a moment to observe your surroundings the next time you're in a social setting. You'll inevitably observe a range of behaviors. Some individuals will be engrossed in their phones or fixated on the table in front of them, while others will be actively involved in their environment. People who are engaged in conversations usually observe their surroundings, maintain friendly eye contact, and communicate openly. People keep their phones either on the table or in their pockets, rather than using them excessively to avoid socializing. This comparison emphasizes the distinction between truly being in the moment and just going through the motions, illustrating how body language and focus can affect social interactions. By observing these behaviors, you can gain valuable insight into how people's postures and actions impact their social presence and interactions. This, in turn, affects how approachable and engaged they come across. Being aware of this can assist you in comprehending and enhancing your own social skills, allowing you to be more mindful of the messages you convey to others. If you enjoyed this video, Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to attract women. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these tips. What are some other nonverbal ways to attract someone?